Let us create a table to enter the numeric data types. Create table called basics dot dbo numeric data type. Here we need my bit is a bit type. My tiny int is tiny int type. My small int my int integer data type null. My big int begin data type null. My numeric is numeric data type. My decimal data type. Small money is small money data type. My money is money data type. My float is float data type. My real data type. So let us create this table. Drag this down a bit. Click tables, fresh, and see here the numeric data types table has been created. All these columns we are given just now. And now we can insert some values into this numeric data type. So insert into SQLBIBYTES.dbo.numeric data type all these columns and values. For bit, the maximum is 1. So for tiny int, the maximum is 255. So I'm entering the maximum values. For small int, the maximum is 32767. My int, the maximum value is this number. For big int, the maximum value is number. Numeric, I'm just entering numerical value, not the maximum value. So numeric can be 99.99, and decimal also can be 99.99. And for small money, we can give the dollar symbol for money data types. They are given $99.99, but when you load to the table, you'll see just the value and not the dollar symbol. Money also $99.99. My float can have 99.99. Real also 99.9. So if I execute this, one row affected. To look at the values, star from SQL basics dot vivo dot numeric execute this. You can see the bit value tiny int, small int, mine, begin, numeric. See the numeric we have entered 99.99, but it has rounded it off to 100. Same is the case with decimal, it has rounded it off to 100. A small money is entered with a dollar symbol, but the value that is loaded is just the value and not the symbol. My money also is the same, the value 99.99. My float is this, my real is this number. So that's how the data types can be entered into the database. Now let us look into date data type. So let us create a table. Create table SQL basics dot date data types. Here my date is date. My small date time is date time. My date time is a small date time. My date time 2 is date time 2. My date time offset is date time set. My time let's create this table. Right click tables. Here date data types has been created. Table all these columns. Now let us insert into SQL basics.db.date data types. Now my date is YYYYMMDD, so it's in single quotes. So 2020-07-31 is the date data type. Small date time would be YYYYMMDD and hour, minute, seconds given 0000, and my date time would be YYYYMMDD hours, minutes, seconds, and then milliseconds. And date time 2 also will be the same with milliseconds, but with more precision. And my date time offset would be 07-31-20 19,000 plus 5.5 hours. That is, we are adding 5.5 hours to the GMT or the UTC time. We are adding the 5.5 hours. That is the date time offset. My time is hours, minutes, seconds. That is 11,000. So let us insert these values into this. Execute. Control has been affected. Select start from SQL basics.dbo.date data types. My date is this one. My small date time is with hours, minutes, seconds. Date time is also with hours, minutes, seconds, and milliseconds. My date time to hours, minutes, seconds, and milliseconds. You can see the precision here. Date time is 000. Here we got more milliseconds. My date time offset is 5.5 hours uh, plus 5.5 hours. That means add 5.5 hours to GMT. My time would be 11. Now let us look into char data types. Let's create table. Create table char data types. Here we have char 10, my varchar of 10, my nchar of 10, my n varchar of. So let us create this table. Right click, tools, fresh. Have this char data types created, these columns. Now let us insert some values. Insert into SQLBIBYTES.dbo.char data types. My char, my varchar, my nchar, my n varchar. Values abcd, abcd. Execute. Records have been entered. Now say select star from SQLBasics.dbo.char data. ABCD has been entered into all the character data types. Now let us look into binary data types. So create table binary data types. My binary of my where binary where of file. This right click tables trash binary data types table has been created, and here we are saying insert into SQLBasics.dbo.binary data types my binary, my where binary, and these values are in one. Let us execute this. Under affected. Now select star from SQLBasics.dbo.binary data types. These have been entered into this data types. You have to cast them to get the values for those binary data. If you like the video, please subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button. For notifications on upcoming videos, please click on the bell icon.